My name's Sally Burns, Director of Public Health. This year's Director of Public Health report highlights two important things. Firstly, through it we wanted to shine a spotlight on the impact that the cost of living crisis is having on the health and well-being of West Northamptonshire residents. We are seeing a clear deterioration in mental health and well-being generally. For those already living with a long-term condition, this provides additional concerns. And basically, if you can't afford your home, or to be warm, or to eat healthily, then there is evidence to show an impact on your health. The cost of living crisis and living with financial worries really highlights health inequalities in families, inequalities across the elderly, and we are seeing this in our urban and rural communities alike. Secondly, we also wanted to highlight through the report that we are really lucky in West Northamptonshire to have an army of volunteers and community organisations who are working incredibly hard to support many of our residents who are particularly vulnerable to the cost of living crisis. This report highlights just a small number of these schemes and initiatives, but we wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone involved and be clear that we are really keen to strengthen the community-based model going forwards.
Welcome to the 2022-23 Director of Public Health Report. I am Councillor Matt Golby and I am the portfolio holder for Adult Social Care and Public Health at West Northamptonshire Council. This year's Director of Public Health Report highlights the impact the cost of living crisis is having on the health and well-being of our residents. I am pleased to showcase the outstanding work we've achieved over the last year, making a difference for our residents by working in partnership with other services, both within the Council and with external community organisations. It's really been a difficult year. We have all seen a huge increase in the cost of living, which has impacted many of us, from the increase of food and fuel costs to household bills. We know we needed to come together with our partners to provide support to those who needed it most. And this report sets out just a few examples of how together we have achieved this. I would like to start by introducing our anti-poverty strategy, which is what brings this work all together and is a piece of work that I am personally very proud of. Launched in 2022, it recognises the need in Northamptonshire and sets out our plan on how together we are going to address it. This has been a huge piece of work which has had involvement from members across the political groups, community organisations, the Poverty Truth Commission and people who are currently living through the experience of poverty. As you will see from the series of videos, we are well underway in delivering this. However, we are on a journey and recognise there is still more to do. Please do watch the series of short videos that make up this year's Director of Public Health report. They really emphasise how teams, services and organisations have come together through a challenging year to better support our residents.